Please take your seat.
Thank you.
Please introduce yourself.
A good day. My name is Merider R. Esguera. I am 22 years old, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Accountancy from the University of the Philippines, Las Bañas.
Why did you apply to our company and what are your expectations about us?
So your company has always been renowned as one of the top firms in the Philippines. So I am expecting that that if I will be hired, I will be guided by your expert and that I will be able to expand my career choices as I'm only a fresh graduate. So this opportunity of working under your company will be a great asset and a valuable addition to my resume.
How can you be a valuable asset to our workforce?
So aside from my degree, I actually joined a lot of organization during my years. So I believe that in addition to my academic achievements, I will also be able to contribute to the teamwork within your company and be able to be a valuable addition to your workforce.
Do you have any special circumstances, plans, or weaknesses that we should be aware of?
So since I am a fresh graduate, I am also planning to take my licensure exam during the next few years, and I think that you should be aware of my plans to be a CPA in a year or two.
Last question, how do you see yourself in our company in 5 years?
So most of the trainees or most of fresh graduates, as they join accounting firms, they actually planning to leave the company after 2 or 3 years of experience. But I actually am seeing myself for more years on corporate work, and I am also interested in expanding my career in your company if possible after taking my licensure exam.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Please take your seat.
Thank you.
Tell me something about yourself.
I'm Keisha Malyari, 22 years old, and I graduated from the Polytechnic University of the Philippines with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management.
So, Keisha, what are your strengths and weaknesses?
First thanks, I can say that I have the adaptability skills and the patience that I can use wisely for my passengers and coworkers since the job I am applying is a cabin crew. For weaknesses, I can say that I might face challenges with the environment inside the plane with my passengers or maybe with my coworkers.
So, speaking of these challenges, how can we expect you to cope up with those?
As I've said before, I have the skills of adaptability, so maybe I can use this and ask for help with my coworkers who are working there for a long time already. And use this when there are maybe passengers who are rude and does not align with the personality that I am expecting.
So, as a cabin crew, how can you define hospitable or being hospitable?
Being hospitable for me is being able to help someone or my passengers without them asking for help. So maybe if I see them struggling or they're having problems but they are not asking for help, maybe I can give that solution to them willingly.
So, for the last question, what do you expect from this company?
I expect this company, since this is a well-known top company, which is the Cebu Pacific, I expect to have a good compensation, of course, and to have many benefits, and to also learn more knowledge and skills.
Thank you.